just when you were getting ready to give up on your search to find the perfect condo near the beach in Wildwood, here it is. Yes, it's mid-October and this beauty is gonna hit the market in a day or two. Welcome to 301 East Leaming Avenue. This is Unit G. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom unit with ocean views. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. Beautiful place. Yes, ceramic flooring, glass tile backsplash. It's got quartz tops, recessed lighting. Look at the flooring here. This is a gorgeous upgraded laminate flooring. Good sized living area, dining area. But here's what it's all about. It's got a really, really nice water view, and we're on the beach block here. Here we go. There it is. There's your water view. It's not too late, folks. You can still have a place, finish up the year 2022 before the interest rates rise. We're beach block, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Asking price is going to be $575. We're going to hit the market in a day or two. Call your agent for a private showing. Good luck.